I decided that, college Yiddish is not an easy entry for a beginning student who maybe doesn't know the alphabet and so on. They need to learn to read the alphabet. So I decided that, like, Yiddish 1 should have a real primer. And then Yiddish 2 could be college Yiddish, Uriel Weinreich's book. Well, the only Yiddish primers around of that kind was this book by Golden, the Yiddish teacher, but that didn't have the new standard Yiddish orthography of the YIVO. It left out the 5 or 6 or so Hebrew letters that are used in the Hebrew-derived words in Yiddish. So those were some of the flaws in that book. And then there were no other really primers around, so I thought, well, I'll write one, I'll make one, and that's what I did, and that's being sold at the Yiddish Book Center and published by them, yeah.